Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today, guys, we are now in Spanish Town. So we are on the Salt Island Road. So guys, let's take a tour into Spanish Town. We'll be traveling onto Spanish Town bypass, going to Twickenham Park, guys. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. Yeah man, big up yourself, anyone I watch from. This is a channel if you want to know about our beautiful Jamaica. This is the right channel you're on, guys. So sit down, enjoy the ride with your tour guide. One love and one heart with people. I know many people scared of traveling into Spanish Town area, guys. But you know, when you come to Jamaica, you have to know where to go, when to go. You know, it's not every place safe in Jamaica. That's reality, you know. So we just can't like we hide things and like everything is pretty, but just bringing some positive vibes on this channel, guys. Yeah man, so don't know a long time some people are traveling route here. So I'm not gonna really drive a bit slow today, guys. So you just have to see with me, your tour guide Fire Reid. Yeah man, so I'm gonna take it on one place with them car named Twickenham Park. So enjoy the ride. Spanish Town is the capital and the largest town in the parish of St. Catherine, in the historic county of Middlesex, Jamaica. It was the Spanish and the British capital of Jamaica from 1534 until 1872. So guys, you can leave the comment in the comment section. Yeah man, and tell me what you think about this area, guys. Yeah man, because a lot of people travel them route here and things kinda change in Jamaica, so you can tell me what you think about this route, guys. Yeah man, just leave it in the comment section. Tell me what I go on, you know.